Right now, all three officers have been treated and released from the hospital. The most severe injury was suffered by Officer Donnie Smith, the initial officer to make contact with the suspect. He has a concussion, but officials tell me because of the suspect's experienced background in fighting, it really could have been much worse.
Second District 99!
Now, you just heard Officer Smith's radio traffic from around 1:50 this morning reporting he was in trouble and needed backup. Officer Smith was at Taggart's Pub on Patterson Road investigating a criminal damaging complaint when officials say he spotted a man urinating on the sidewalk. Investigators say Smith approached the suspect, 27-year-old Nicolaus Boscarino, who at that time became violent. As it turns out, Boscarino is a trained MMA fighter from Bellbrook.
We know for a fact that he's had 22 career MMA fights. His record, as we have been able to gather, he's had 16 professional fights, 6 amateur fights. Obviously, MMA, mixed martial arts, is a relatively new phenomenon that's out there. There are exceptional athletes involved, very ethical, very moral, very legal individuals involved in that sport among any other sport. Unfortunately, this individual has taken up this sport, and he obviously used his techniques, his martial arts ability against our officers last night.
Now, this afternoon, 2 News had the only cameras in court when Boscarino made his first court appearance on the felonious assault on a police officer charge. He is now being held on $50,000 cash bond. Investigators tell me more charges could still be added in the future. Reporting live, Megan O'Rourke, 2 News on your side.
And it turns out this is not the first time that Nico Boscarino has been in trouble with the law. We did some digging on this today and found 3 other notable incidents. In 2010, police arrested him for public intoxication. That case was dismissed. In 2007, Boscarino was convicted of resisting arrest. He served a suspended sentence for that. And in 2002, Boscarino served 20 months in prison after he abducted and beat a Waynesville